Hi, this is Mike Wallach with TriMech, and today I've got a tip for you about taking angle measurements in SOLIDWORKS. So the easiest way to take a measurement is just by selecting a face or an edge, and then if you want to measure more than one thing, hold Control, select another one, and in the status bar, it will report your measurement. In this case, the distance between those two faces is 52 millimeters. Now, if I want to take an angle measurement, I can do the same thing. I can select this face and then hold Control and select this face. I've got now two faces that are not parallel selected, and it's reporting that the angle between them is 120.2 degrees. What it's measuring here is the outside angle. It's measuring all the way around this way. But suppose I want the smaller complementary angle, the inside angle instead of the outside angle. Well, there's an easy trick to get that, and I really don't want to just have to open up the calculator and subtract 120.2 from 180. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to repeat this process, but instead of selecting faces, I'm going to select edges. So I'm going to grab that edge and Control select this edge. And now in the status bar, it's reporting that value as the smaller complementary angle instead of the larger one, 59.38 degrees instead of 120.2. This also works in the measure tool. So I'm going to go to the measure tool and select these two faces like before, and it reports the value as 120.2 degrees. Now I'm going to click out into empty space to clear those selections, and this time I'll select the edges of those faces instead of the faces themselves. And this time, just like on the status bar, it reports the angle as the smaller value, 59.38. As long as one of your selections is an edge, it's going to give you the smaller value. So say I can select this edge and that face, and it reports 59.17. Now, suppose I've got this dimension and perhaps some others that I want to keep track of that are just going to be reference dimensions. And there's nothing in existing sketches or features that I can go and look at to just immediately report these numbers. Well, I can create a new sketch here on the front plane in this case, and convert some edges of what I want to measure. In this case, I'll take these two edges right here, convert entities, and then place a dimension between them. I do want that to be a driven dimension, and say I want my dimension precision to be out to 4 places, just to get an idea of what that number really is. Don't want it to be rounded too much. Now I can just exit out of this sketch, and now when I make changes to the model, say I'm going to make a change to one of these side profile dimensions. Say I'll change this 35 to 30. And now I can go look at my sketch again, and that angle has updated. So I can easily keep track of those reference dimensions in my model. I hope that's helpful to you, and have a good day.